Hey everybody, and welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. Today the Dipping Dynamo, in his episode number 3, Zachary, will do the Yum Yum Dynamo sauce. This recipe is a fun activity for kids, and it's a great recipe for children to make. Do check the description below for a list of the ingredients. This Yum Yum Dynamo sauce is sweet and spicy and goes great with anything that needs dip. Chicken wings, vegetables, chips, you name it. Get ready everybody, Dipping Dynamo and Yum Yum Dynamo sauce.
Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. Okay, now I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Ooh, I got a little taste out of it. Oh, okay. Now we're continuing with another spoon. Oh, I got a little mess out of it, but that's okay. Next, we're putting all this stuff into the thing. Okay, oh now, no towels necessary. Use my shirt. Next, there is that secret ingredient. Do you know what it is? Rice vinegar. 3 teaspoons of rice vinegar in the bowl. Oh yeah. Now we're finished with the rice vinegar. 2 teaspoons of sugar. Make it nice and sweet. Next, we're gonna put melted butter in the sauce. And then, secret funny! Oh. Half a tablespoon of paprika. Okay. Good. Uh-oh, I got on my pants! No paprika on the pants! Oh, I'm thinking about eating that sauce. Next, I'm gonna put a little garlic. Even if I have some paprika on my pants, I can continue with some garlic. And I finally decided to put it on the bowl. Okay, now. Uh-oh, I forgot to open the bowl. Now I'm gonna be more careful and open that bottle. And a little splash of sriracha. Now get all that whisk. And then get ready to stir all that stuff in. Tell everybody to mix your sauce very well. If you came to Dynamo, you always stir the sauce. I'm going to take a little taste. I'm going to taste the Dynamo Yum Yum sauce. Good. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch the Sauce and Gravy channel, subscribe on the channel. And I'll see you next time.